Hello, welcome to the Southern Mountain Kitchen. Today we're making beef stew. To make this, you're going to need at least 2 pounds of beef cut into cubes. Whichever cut of beef you want to use is fine. Some will be tougher than others, so you kind of have to be a little selective on what you use. The size of the cubes you cut up to put into this is your choice. Just remember it has to fit onto a spoon with vegetables. Sometimes smaller is better. As you're cutting up your beef, get a pan to the side so that way you can fry the beef and actually get it well done before you start adding other ingredients. After you saute the beef, you're going to add in salt, steak seasoning, and garlic and pepper seasoning. To this, you're going to add 1 large onion cut up, half a cup of green and red bell peppers, mix it up a bit, make sure everything is thoroughly mixed through. Now on top of this, you're going to sprinkle about 1/4 of a cup of flour. This is going to help to thicken up your mixture as you're cooking it, but when you fix it into the stew itself, it'll be a thicker, heartier stock. As you mix this up, you're going to make sure that you cook it thoroughly so that way all the beef is cooked completely and your vegetables are more tender and a little bit on the softer side. You don't want crunchy vegetables in a beef stew, it just doesn't taste right. As your beef and vegetables are cooking, make sure that you continuously turn them around, stir them up, and make sure that everything is heated evenly. So once everything is cooked through, remove the pan, and now we're going to start with a pot of water. You're going to add into this pot at least 4 cups of water, which you're going to add your potatoes and carrots to. It's 3/4 cups of carrot and 3 large baking potatoes. You can add more if you like, however your flavor is. If you want more carrots or more potatoes, go for it. Let this be in the water and bring it to a boil. You're going to need to cook these at least 20 minutes to make sure that they're tender. You don't want hard potatoes in your stew. One way to test your potatoes once you get to around the 20-minute marker is to stick a fork in the potato and see if it goes in easily. If it does, that means it's pretty much cooked. If it doesn't go in and it's hard, you need more time. Now, once you get it all the way cooked through, you're going to add at least 2 tablespoons of beef base. To that, you're going to add at least a 32-ounce can of diced Italian tomatoes that are seasoned. Now add a can of tomato paste. These are the small ones, they're about 8 ounces. To this, you're going to add a can of green beans that have been drained. You don't want the liquid, just the green beans. And then 1 small can of tomato sauce. Mix this together thoroughly. You want to make sure all the tomatoes and everything go all the way through the mixture, especially for the tomato paste, which kind of clumps up. You need to distribute it. Now, once you got everything in, bring back the original that you cooked with your beef and your other in the pan and mix it into this pot. Now stir it together thoroughly. You want to make sure everything gets mixed through so the beef and all the others get mixed in. Now once you get this to a boil, you want to reduce the heat down to about medium and let it cook for about 45 minutes or until all the vegetables are totally cooked to your liking. And as you can see in the video, this is what you get, a great beef stew. I'd like to thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe and come back and see the next video. Have a good one.